Today, I will present you new Arkema material for advanced lithium-ion batteries. Arkema proposes several innovative solutions to improve advanced lithium-ion batteries under different brand names. Kynar for binder and separator coating, Graphistone for conductive additive, and Foranex for electrolyte solution. Several challenges for lithium-ion batteries, and more especially for EV batteries, are remaining. Improve power performances to allow fast charge and limit the heat generation. Increase the energy density to improve the EV range and decrease the global battery weight. Improve the lifetime to increase the battery life and facilitate the battery storage. Think about the battery sustainability by a raw material eco-design, a local supply, and a greener manufacturing. To answer all of these challenges, Arkema developed two lithium salts, the LiFSI for high voltage and high conductivity, and the LiTDI for lifetime. For the LiFSI, Arkema developed an industrial process in order to manufacture high-purity LiFSI. In the literature, you can find a lot of conflicting information about the LiFSI electrochemical stability. Thanks our process are shown on this voltammetry graph. Our LiFSI is stable upon 5 volt without any aluminum corrosion. Thanks to its high electrochemical stability, LiFSI can help the development of free cobalt cathode materials. In the frame of an European project, an electrolyte based on LiFSI has been developed to improve the lifetime and reduce the gassing during the cycling. Our other salt, the LiTDI, the structure of this salt has been well designed to improve the battery performance. In fact, the aromatic part allows to increase the charge separation between the lithium cation and the anion, and also bring high chemical stability. The CF3 group allows a good electrochemical stability, and the cyano group allows to decrease the interaction between the anion and the lithium cation, but also allows to well passivate the aluminium and to trap water and Lewis acid formed during the cycle life into the electrolyte. The LiTDI used as an additive in combination with classical organic SEA additive like FEC or VC decrease the overall resistivity of the cell. Thanks to that, LiTDI enables to improve the charge performances. On this graph, we compare 3 electrolyte formulations, commercial one with 2 additives, the commercial 2 with 5 additives, and an LiTDI-based electrolyte with 1 additive. At pouch cell level, we compare the charge capacity in milliampere hour in function of the C rate for this electrolyte. And as you can see, the best power performances are obtained with the LiTDI-based electrolyte. Besides to increase the power performances, LiTDI as an additive enables to improve the battery lifetime. At pouch cell level for NMC622 graphite, we compare 2 electrolytes, a reference one and an LiTDI-based one. LiTDI allows to limit the capacity lost thanks to several roles into the electrolyte. Indeed, LiTDI plays an important role to stabilize the SEI on the graphite the CEI on NMC and also to stabilize LiPF6 due to its scavenging effect. Indeed, LiTDI is able to replace a lot of additive. Thanks to that, we are able to simplify a lot the electrolyte formulation. From an electrochemical point of view, the LiTDI is really stable. Indeed, the electrochemical degradation of LiTDI occurs beyond 4.7 volts. Moreover, LiTDI, as shown on the chronoamperometry, unable to form quickly a stable aluminum passivation even at higher voltage. To increase the energy density, LiTDI is useful to stabilize the SEI on silicon. Few years ago, in the frame of an European project, we developed an electrolyte to improve the lifetime of battery based on NMC622 and 60% in weight of silicon on the anode side. Besides the lifetime improvement, the LiTDI-based electrolyte enables to improve the discharge power performances. To conclude, I would like to remind you all the LiTDI benefits. In terms of power performances, decrease the SEI resistivity in combination with a traditional SEI additive, and an improvement of fast charge performances, especially at 4C. For the energy density, with the LiTDI, we have no limitation for high voltage cathode because the stability and the stabilized passivation layer formed with the LiTDI, we can go to 4.7 volt. The LiTDI is useful also to stabilize the SEI with a silicon-based anode. For the lifetime, the LiTDI is able to stabilize LiPF6-based electrolyte, especially at high temperature, thanks scavenging effect on HF, water, and Lewis acid. In terms of sustainability, LiTDI increases the useful lifetime of batteries and decreasing the waste. I thank you for your attention.